if the authorized act and the unauthorized act cannot be separated, then what will happen? In the previous example, we could separate the two acts. One act was authorized, the other act was not authorized, and payment in respect of each one of them was separately made by the agent, and therefore we could find that the principal was bound by the first payment but not by the second. But in a situation where an agent does more than is authorized to do, and what he does beyond his authority cannot be separated from what is within the authority, in that case, the principal is not bound to recognize the entire transaction. So if the act done by the agent is a mixed act and there is no way of separating the consequences, then the principal is free to say that the entire transaction is not recognized by him and he will not make any payment to the agent in respect thereof. And the illustration is very clear. A authorizes B to buy 500 sheep for him. A is the principal, B is the agent, and what is the agent asked to do? The act which the agent has to perform, the act was to buy 500 sheep for him. B buys 500 sheep and 200 lambs, and the combined cost is 6,000 rupees. Now, he has done two acts: purchase of sheep, purchase of lambs. One of the acts was authorized, the other was not authorized. However, the price is a combined price, so it is not possible to separate as to how much amount belongs to the sheep and how much to the lambs. In this situation, A has a choice. He may either accept the transaction or he may repudiate the whole transaction. So if B has already paid for it, let us say, A need not pay B anything, and it is B's responsibility, and it is for him to now find out what to do with the sheep and what to do with the lambs. A may simply say that I had not authorized you to purchase lambs. Since you have done that, this is beyond your authority and you are responsible for the transaction. I am not responsible. A may refuse to pay for the